Hey fans, well thank you so much for watching today's awesome vlog. If you're curious what I'm actually doing today, I want to talk to all of you about my Halloween flicker circuit, how I built it, and how I actually put it together. But a little warning to all of you, if you don't feel comfortable with working on any electrical projects or anything like that, I would recommend you might hire a professional licensed electrician. Electrical can be quite dangerous. Just be careful. This is my flicker circuit. This is what I made for Halloween, should I say. And it's a very simple circuit. It's not very complex or anything at all. All it has is a starter cap, a starter holder, an incandescent light bulb, a housing, and a extension cord, and also a plug where you can plug it in, should I say. And all it does, it flickers. You've seen that in yesterday's vlog, but we're going to take this apart to actually show you what the wire diagram of it actually looks like. Well, let's go ahead and show you what it looks like on the inside. Let's go and let's have some safe electrical, should I say. It's time to take my flicker circuit apart to kind of show you how the wire diagram is and how I have it all built, should I say. Yes, you're gonna need a screwdriver to kind of unscrew the two screws a little bit to loosen up this housing, should I say. Let's take the housing off, put the housing off to the side, maybe back there a little bit, and unscrew the glass shade on this unit. And this is what the dome looks like. Put that off to the side. Here is the 25-watt incandescent flame bulb. We'll take this out of the socket and kind of show you what it looks like. This is the bulb I'm using for the flicker circuit. I'll put that off to the side, making sure we don't damage it. And over here, we have this rubber seal we also need to take out. Because why I got to take the rubber seal out is because it's actual two screws down below. We'll loosen these up so I can just tone the unit here to show you the inside of my circuit. And this is kind of what it looks like. Trying to show you the wire diagram of the Halloween flicker circuit. It's not a very complicated diagram. It's not difficult to wire this. It's a very simple circuit. And I know a lot of you are going to say, Chris, it seems complicated. It's really not, should I say. We have your power feed going into a waterproof connector inside the actual box itself. We do have a hot, a neutral, and also the ground wire down below. This ground wire attaches to this ground green screw, should I say. And it's a very simple and easy circuit to build, should I say. You're gonna need 3 wire nuts. You're gonna need one for this hot side, and one for your neutral, should I say. But basically what you do is you basically strip your cable to the length you need it to be inside your box, should I say. And what you do is you take the wire nut, you twist the wires together, and you put electrical tape around the connections. You take the power feed connected to this side over here to the starter cap holder, and there's your starter cap right there. And you take the on hot side and basically you connect it to the hot side of your socket, and you disconnect the neutral with the neutral. Same thing, electrical tape and some wire nuts as well. It's a very simple circuit. It's not complicated. It's very simple to build. I'm going to show you some of the parts, should I say, of how I made this flicker circuit, should I say. If you want to make something like this, you can, but be safe with electrical. I ordered this off of Amazon not too long ago. If you're curious, here is the actual make and model of the actual unit itself, should I say. But I don't have all the parts here, should I say, like the plug, the wire nuts, or the electrical tape. You might actually have to get some of that stuff down at your local hardware store. If you don't want to wire a plug like this, you can just get a factory cable that already has the plug already attached to it. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side, should I say. This is called a waterproof connector. It's a strainer leaf for your cable. It's pretty good. It fits pretty good with this unit, should I say. Here's the small extension cable I have. You kind of notice it doesn't have any ends attached to it. It means I have to put my own ends on it, should I say. And here is the light bulbs I'm actually using for this project as well. You can also look this up on Amazon if you want. It's pretty good light bulbs, should I say. And finally, the last part is the starter cap and the starter socket. You can also look this stuff up on Amazon if you want to kind of build something like this. It's pretty cool. Alright, to all my awesome fans out there on YouTube, and let me kind of explain about these light bulbs themselves. The actual do not flicker at all. The reason why it flickers is because I'm using a starter cap and a starter holder to make the light bulb to flicker. You're gonna say, Chris, it's very complicated, it's very confusing. If you truly don't want to build it this way, you can actually build it completely different. You can eliminate the actual starter socket and starter cap from the actual circuit itself, and you can actually pick up on Amazon a flame flickering light bulb. It might be incandescent, it might be LED. It all depends of how you want that circuit to flicker, should I say. For example, this is very simple, and it's a very simple circuit. All you're doing is you're taking your power wire from your extension cable, you're hooking it to this end over here, and you're taking this and hooking it to the actual socket. This is how the bulb actually flickers. If you don't want to use this item at all, you can build it completely a different way. It's all up to you of how you physically want to build it. Alright, if you guys enjoy this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave an awesome comment down below, please like, please share, peace out. We'll hopefully see you in a future vlog, and thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Catch you in the next one.